Hi viewers, my dear students, welcome to the online classes. First of all, good morning to everyone. So, today discuss about the simple equation part 2. Previous sessions, simple equation part 1, I have completed the basic points and used two sums, example sums. Now discuss about the remaining sum in these sessions. So, listen guys, first question. Solve the following, page number 63. Solve the following equations without transposing and check your result. The first question, y minus 12y is equal to minus 5, and the fifth question, 3x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 2. Guys, this one is also first session I have completed the trial and error method. The same logic apply here. Why? First you study that heading. Solve the following equations. Here given the equations, but without transposing, and check your result. So don't use the transposing, just you check that result. Now first I take it the first question. Y minus 12 is equal to minus 5. Okay guys, see. Okay, guys, y minus 12 is equal to minus 2, minus 5. Don't use the transposing method, only you are use the trial and error method. In the 6th class standard is also there this model. Now suppose this is a variable, y is a variable of in this equation. So this is not a fixed number, different numbers are obtained in the y place. Which one value is satisfaction becomes minus 5. That's one you write here only. Suppose if y is equal to 1, so y place you obtain 1 minus 12. 1 minus 12 means minus 11. Why? Here the greatest number is a 12. What the sign of the greatest number? Negative sign. That's why you write that first negative up to separated the 1 from the 12. So the remaining balance is minus 11. Minus 11 is equal to minus 5. It's not equal to. It's wrong. Next one. If y is equal to 2, guys. 2 minus 12. Check it. Which is the greatest number? 12 is the greatest number, guys. What the sign? Negative sign. Greatest number separated from 2, so that's 10. 10 equal to minus 5, it's false. Next, if y is equal to 3, 3 minus 12. So greatest number here 12. What the sign? Negative sign. 12 minus 3, 9. It's not equal to minus 5. You do it this one. Suppose if y is equal to 7. Suppose, just guess it. Next number, guess it guys. So 7, check it. 7 minus 12, guys. Wait. Here the greatest number 12. What the sign? Minus. 12 minus 7, 5. Yes, it's become RHS. What is the RHS part here? Minus 5. Minus 5 becomes here, so that both are equal. So which one value is satisfaction? This one. Minus 7 is the satisfaction in this equation. So the equation without transposing, here the any term is not transporting other side, just your trial and error method is use it. Which one value is satisfaction? It becomes that RHS part, that is called a solution of this equation. Here minus 5 is a solution of y minus 12 is equal to minus 5. Check it. Check. Y minus 12 is equal to minus 5. Y place you write that 7. Sorry. 7 is the solution of the point. 7 minus 12 is equal to minus 5. Here becomes minus 5. Minus 5 is minus 5. Okay, the sum is 4. Next, fifth sum I do it. Fifth sum. What the fifth sum? 3x plus 8 equal to 5x plus 2. Don't use the transposing, only use the trial and error method. So in this equation, LHS part x term is there and RHS part x term is there. In this x terms is not a fixed value. You take the different values in the both sides, substitution the same value. Your guess, both sides are equal or not equality. So suppose if x is equal to 1, guys, 1 is substitution in the LHS part and RHS part. So 3 of 1 plus 8 equal to 5 of 1 plus 2. 3 ones are 3 plus 8 equal to 5 plus 2. This is a 12, sorry, 11, this is a 7. 11, 7 equality, it's not a equality. Leave it, that's it. 1 is not satisfaction of given equation. If x is equal to 2, guys, so which one area is x placed, that obtained you write the 2. See in this one you write the equation this, in this place this 3 of 2 plus 3 of 2 plus 8 equal to 5 of 2 plus 2. Guys, 3 2s 6 plus 8 equal to 5 2s 10 plus 2. 14 equal to 12 is equality? It's not equality. It is also not satisfaction of this equation. You check it one more. If x is equal to 3, guys, x is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3 implies s implies in this place you write 3 of 3 plus 8 is equal to 5 of 3 plus 2. 3 3s are 9 plus 8. This is the 15 plus 2. 9 plus 8 17. 15 plus 2 17. Both sides are equal, not equal? Equality. So which one's value write in the x place? 3. The 3 is satisfaction of this equation. That means x is equal to 3 is a solution of 3x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 2. 3x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 2. Is it clear, guys? Okay. So without transposing model is over. Next one, suppose transposing model. All sums are do it this model, it's impossible. Some situations are very large number is satisfaction of given equation. That's why using that another method, that is a transposing method, that is a better. Right. Question number 2. Solve the following equations by transposing the terms and check the result. Check your result. The first, fifth question, 5 of x plus 4 is equal to 35. Next, 10th question, 3 of x minus 3 is equal to 5 of 2x plus 1. So, in this transposing method, I do the two sums, remaining sums are you try it. You are maintain the one notes, mathematics notes, guys. Solve the following equation, transposition. The terms of check your result. The previous just I have completed only without transposing, but this one is a transposing. Fifth question, write first the equation 5 of x plus 4 equal to 35. Transposing method is very easy compared than trial and error method, guys. You know, transposing from LHS to RHS, plus quantity becomes negative quantity, negative quantity becomes plus quantity, into quantity becomes divides quantity, divide quantity becomes into quantity. Same, that's one apply here. This is LHS, guys. This is RHS. Axis, which one situation is there? Axis LHS part is there. Yes, just simply remove one by one. Here, axis in the bracket term. Axis in the bracket. What about the outside term? 5. 5 is what here? 5 of x plus 4. 5 of x plus 4. What this means? So, x plus 4 is product of 5. Product, that means multiplication. Here the big multiplication, transposing in that side, the LHS to RHS. That means send that side. Here the multiplication, that side divides. What remaining here? X plus 4. X plus 4 is equal to 35 by 5. So, this 5 how many times is cancelled? 7 times. It's a simplification, you check it. So, 5 is cancelled in 35. How many times? 7 times. So, 7 is right. So, x plus 4 equal to 7, guys. What you want? You find solve. What the meaning of solve? In this equation, what variable is there? That's value find out, that is means solve. Here the variables is a x. That's value find out. Plus 4 send that side. Minus 4, 7 minus 4, x is equal to 3. So, x is equal to 3. 3 is the satisfaction of this equation. Since x is equal to 3 is a solution of 5 of x plus 4 is equal to 35. Guys, you check it. Not so over. Check. Check. Here the result. See. What is that equation 5 of x plus 4 equal to 35? X plus you write 3. 5 of 3 plus 4 is equal to 35. 5 of. First is simplification of the bracket terms. In the two numbers, one sign is there. What the sign? Plus sign. Should be add the both numbers. 3 plus 4, 7. 5 7s are 35. 35 is equal to 35. Yes, a checking is also verbal. The sum is bus. Next, second question I do it. According to your maths textbook, that is the 10th question. In this second Roman, 10th question. 3 of x minus 3 is equal to 5 of 2x plus 1. Yes, guys, in this sum, LHS part is x is there and RHS part is x is there. But how do you do it? Here you apply that one formula, that is a distribution formula. How? A of b plus c is equal to a into b, a into c, ab plus ac. This formula is called a left hand distribution law. Left hand distribution law. Just a joke here. You know that you watched the film Bahubali? Yes. In this Bahubali, hero name Prabhas, heroine name Tamanna, and one more heroine name Anushka. So you watch the Bahubali film. The Bahubali film hero is named Prabhas, heroine name Tamanna, one more heroine name Anushka. So Tamanna, Anushka put in the brackets. So outside Prabhas is there. First, the Prabhas step in the Tamanna. That's when you write P into T, Prabhas into Tamanna. Plus the same Prabhas, the same hero, step into that Anushka, Prabhas into Anushka. Put in one more bracket. This type is law is called a law of distribution law. Law of distribution law. Prabhas into Tamanna plus Prabhas into Anushka. The same logic up here. 3, suppose your imagination Prabhas, X is a Tamanna, and in this case 3 is a Anushka. You apply this formula, say here 3 of X like this minus 3 of 3. Once again 3 of X minus, don't change it, 3 of 3 equal to 5 of 2x plus 5 of 1. 5 of 2x plus 5 of 1. So 3x minus 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10x plus 5 1s are 5. Okay guys. Now in the LHS some x terms are there, some constant terms are there. RHS some x terms are there, some constant terms are there. The x terms should send one side. Without x term, that means constant terms are sent other side. Now coming to the point, this plus 3x, here generally symbol is a plus. Always which one term you have selected, that's name, that term symbol is adjust of left hand side. So in what is the left hand side sign? Plus. The plus is belongs to this term. Yes, this term is transpose that side. Plus quantity becomes negative quantity to the RHS part. So 10x plus 5 minus 3x. Here remaining minus 9. Now here without x term, that means constant term plus 5. It's a x is not there. That means it's a constant term without x term. Send this side, plus 5 send this side, plus is big quantity becomes negative. Minus 9 is there, minus 5. What remaining that side? 10x minus 3x. So this and this are both are negative signs. So minus symbol, you write. Add the both number 14. 9 plus 5, 14 is equal to 10x minus 3x. 10x minus 3x means 7x. 10x minus 3x is equal to 7x. Here 7 is multiplication of x, that side divisible. So minus 14 by 7 is equal to x. How many times this one cancel? 2 times. Minus 2 is equal to x. Finally x is equal to minus 2. Why here the equality law? That means x minus 2 is equal to x is equal to minus 2. Both are the same. Okay, so check it, this one result. Is right or wrong, you check it. Check. X is equal to minus 2, put in 3 of x minus 3 is equal to 5 of 2x plus 1. Okay guys. So x place you write minus 2. 3 of minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 5 of 2 of minus 2 plus 1. So 3 of minus 5, 5 of minus 4 plus 1. These are two of the negative numbers. You write that negative sign should be add these two numbers. Minus 5. 5. 2 2s are 4 minus 4 plus 1. So this is a minus 15. 5 of minus 3. Why it is a because minus 4 is the greatest number. 4 is the greatest number. What does sign? negative. So smallest number separated from the biggest number, 4 minus 1, 3. So plus into minus, minus. So minus 15 is equal to minus 15. So LHS and RHS are equality or not equality? Equality. That means x is equal to minus 2 is a solution of 3 of x minus 3 equal to 5 of 2x plus 1. Okay? Clear? Without transposing sum is over, transposing sum is over, model sum is over, and LHS or RHS identification sum is over. 3 models I have completed in this chapter. Now, okay guys, right. Very important question. Page number 64 page. Example 7. Example 7. I write the question. Total number of the boys and girls in a class is 52. If the number of girls is 10 more than that of boys, find the numbers of boys. Numbers of boys. Guys, it is very important question and very easy question. What is the uses of simple equation? Help in solving various problems in daily life. See, is the daily life question this one? First you read that the sum carefully. Total number of boys and girls in the classroom is 52. Suppose just imaginations boys. Which one numbers watch this video? That's numbers are, please imagination in your mind. Just you are imagining your classroom. In this classroom is consist of some boys and some girls like this. Suppose this is your classroom. Here the boys are there. Boys. Here girls are there. Suppose these girls are there. In the classroom, some boys and girls are totally 52 numbers. So boys and girls are, this is a boyish, this is a girls. Totally 52 according to your sum. If the number of girls is 10 more than that of boys, here one condition is there. What the condition? The number of girls here see is 10 more than of that boys. Find the number of boys. So here which one known and which one value find out? Number of boys you find out. That's when you take it the one letter. Suppose the boys you have taken that x, suppose. Why? You find out the number of boys. That's why I take it that number of boys x. What the given the condition? Girls is 10 more than that of boys. How many boys are there in the classroom? X. Or how many girls are there in the classroom? Guess it according to this condition. Yes, very good. X plus 10. Why X plus 10? Why X plus 10? The number of girls is 10 more of that of boys. 10 more means extra. That's why you write a plus sign. Already know that the number of boys X. Number of boys is X. So X plus 10. Now see the sum of boys and girls, you get that 52. You solve that equation, you get that answer. Okay guys, now do the solution. First, here take it that number of boys is say X. Simply write the writing. Let the number of boys equal to X. Then the number of girls X plus 10. Why? Because according to the problem. See, that's one. By the problem, the total number of boys, B for boys plus girls and girls is equal to 52. So how many boys are there? X plus how many girls are there? X plus 10 is equal to 52. In this is one of the equation. In this equation, left hand side some terms are there. In this terms are 1x is there, 1x is there. Here sign is plus should be add. 1x plus 1x, 2x. 2x plus 10 is equal to 52 guys. Which one you find? X value you find. Why? It's indicated the number of boys. It's no need of the 10. Plus 10 send that side. What remaining here? 2x. 52 minus 10. 2x is equal to 42. What about the 2 here? It is adding the multiplication. Send that side, division. So, therefore, x is equal to 42 by 2. X is equal to 21 times. What is the meaning of x? The number of boys. Therefore, the number of boys, x is equal to 21. Then, the number of girls, x plus 10, 21 plus 10 is equal to 31. So, you check it the result, right or wrong, checking, check. Total number of boys and girls, equal to 52. So, how many boys are there? 21 boys. So 21 plus how many girls are there? 31. So 21 plus 32 get 52 or not? Yes, it's get 52. Its sum is right or wrong? Yes, it is correct. Okay guys. So the simple equation solve the problem in the daily life. It's one of the example. So first you are keep some points of mind. First you study this problem clearly, and what you find out, that's one you take it that x variable, and what condition is given, that's one relation you to find out. After you find out unknown value, these points are keep your minds, easily do it the sum. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Next class discuss about the remaining sums.